Unlocking the benefits. Understanding age advantage offer. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind a phrase you might have come across: age advantage offer. This concept isn't just a collection of words. It's a key to unlocking specific benefits and opportunities. So, let's break it down together, ensuring that by the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how it can be relevant to you or people around you. First things first, let's dissect the phrase, age advantage offer. It comprises 3 words, each carrying its weight and meaning. Age refers to the number of years someone or something has existed. It's not just about being young or old, it's a measure of life experience. Advantage means a favorable condition, something that puts someone in a better position compared to others. Offer is a proposal or a deal that is presented to someone, which they can choose to accept or decline. When combined, age advantage offer suggests a special proposal or deal that is available to individuals based on their age, providing them with a favorable condition or benefit. Age advantage offer can appear in various contexts, each with its nuances. Let's explore a few. Retail and services. Businesses often provide discounts or special deals to certain age groups, such as seniors or students. For example, a movie theater might have a discounted ticket price for seniors as an age advantage offer. Insurance and financial products. Some financial services offer better rates or terms for younger or older customers, recognizing the different financial needs and risks associated with different life stages. Educational opportunities. Educational institutions or programs may offer scholarships, reduced fees, or special admissions policies for applicants of certain ages, recognizing the value of diverse age groups in the learning environment. Employment benefits. Some companies might have age-related offers for their employees, such as early retirement plans for older employees or internships designed for younger individuals. Understanding age advantage offer is crucial for several reasons. Maximizing benefits. By knowing what offers are available based on age, individuals can take advantage of discounts, services, or opportunities they might not have been aware of. Planning and decision-making. For financial products or educational opportunities, knowing about age-based offers can help in making informed decisions about the future. Inclusivity and awareness. Recognizing how age can influence access to certain benefits fosters a more inclusive understanding of the needs and advantages of different age groups. We hope this exploration of age advantage offer has shed some light on how age can play a pivotal role in accessing various benefits and opportunities. Whether it's saving money, making informed decisions about education or finance, or understanding societal inclusivity, the age advantage offer is a concept that touches many aspects of life. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Remember, learning is a journey, and we're here to guide you through every step. Until next time, keep exploring and expanding your understanding of the English language and its intriguing nuances.